all right. What is up? This is the Oceanside guy, and I just got on the water for a fantastic Friday quick ride on the water on Friday because I got some other stuff to do today. But check it out, guys. It's not gray. Look, you can see behind me the skies are actually blue in Oceanside. Wow. So wow, interesting. Blue skies in Oceanside. All right, well, I'll definitely take that. I'll take that. It's just a little bit after 11 o'clock in the morning, so I'm going to try to get about, maybe 45 minutes to an hour on the water today. Expecting a good fun weekend today. Get out tomorrow, Saturday, and on Sunday as well. So it's going to be a fun-filled weekend. And I'm not even wearing my Sea Doo long wetsuit pants. I'm wearing wetsuit shorts. Wow, because it's sunny out today. Check it out. Oh my gosh. So I'm wearing shorts today, and I'm wearing my new shark skin top as well too. Quick dry shark skin top. So I did notice last time I was out, when it did get wet, it dries really quick, especially when you're moving in the wind and all, or maybe when you come off and you get back on shore, it dries really fast. So that's pretty awesome. So we got some new kayakers in the water. Okay guys, we're just about out of the no wake zone. Here we go. Oh, here we go. Time to wake up, boys. Say hello, and girls. They don't care that I'm here, do they? Oh, there they go. A little upset. What's up? All right, so we are dealing with some swellage right here. You can see it. Here comes one. Here comes one. And we got a little bit of chop, quite a bit of chop. We are white capping out here just a little bit. We're gonna go up north though, just a little bit. We're gonna make it a quick ride today. So here we go. That's how we do it on a Friday. I just saw me some dolphins and I'm trying to find them. I saw 3 of them. This is like me the whole ride. When the GoPro is off, I'm just like this, just smiling through the whole trip. Let me tell you, ain't nothing like it, ladies and gentlemen. Get out, get on the water, let's go. Hey, look at what we got here. We got some friends. I need to get a better camera setup, that's for sure. Because I got it tucked in to these 2 straps. I think I showed you guys that before. And the GoPro stick it sticks in there nice, but when you're going over some chop and you're catching some air, the GoPro moves around a lot, so there's not much I can do about it, but I'm trying to get you guys the best footage as much as possible. But standing up on the GoPro, I'm not standing up on the GoPro. Standing up on the Sea Doo is fun. Yeah. Especially with the tilt steering. Love the tilt steering, so I got the steering tilted up right now, so standing up makes it better. You don't have to lean over and grab the bar, you know? So, good feature there. Yep, standing up on the Sea Doo. Enjoying the day. I think I'm gonna head back in. It's almost noon time. Here we go. Let's go back to the harbor. Just kidding, I'm not going in just yet. Oh, we're gonna go catch some air. Okay, catch some air. Let's find some swells. There we go. Oh, there we go, here we go, up we go. Huh. Oh. Oh, there we go. Oh. Here we go, up we go. Oh, nice. Woo! Oh! Woo! Oh! How wet did we get? That was awesome. What a way to close it down for the afternoon. Oh, my. I'm drenched, but you know what? Again, the shark skin is doing really well. It kind of, I don't know, it kind of penetrates it, or the water just kind of bounces off of it a little bit. Now, don't get me wrong, I'm not completely dry either. No, definitely not. But I also like these heat wave glasses because they're really big and they cover my face a lot. And also for the side shields on these as well, so oh my goodness. That was a fun ride. Caught a lot of air on that one, my goodness. Woo. All right. Yeah, it's just about noon time, so I gotta get in. Well, let me take you along for the ride. We'll put you in a front row seat. Oh yeah. Entering the harbor, and automatically it's less choppy. So let's do some fast-paced movement here before we get into the no-wake zone. Yeah! Woo! Woo! Oh, did you feel that? Woo! What? Okay. Well, that penetrated my shark skin. That just went right over my head, right down into my shirt. I'm drenched, slightly. Salty, very salty. That was fun though. Oh wow, that was amazing. Woo! Short run today, but what a day. It's like, you know, you can get out on the water. Maybe you have one of those limited days or limited times, and you get out there for that 1 hour, and in your mindset, you're just like making the best of that 1 hour you got. And today was awesome. I didn't really go far. Didn't even go down to the pier today, but just up north just a little bit, right over next to Camp Pendleton. Tomorrow Saturday, we might get back out in the water again, but definitely for sure Sunday. Preparing for our trip, my wife and I, to Catalina, coming soon. So you want to stay tuned for that. Preparing for that. Gonna meet some friends up and talk about the trip, and we're gonna kind of do follow the Catalina Express over from Dana Point, and of course bring our GPSs along with us, which I just bought me a Garmin, and I'll introduce to you that later. 26.6 hours on the machine. Looking good. So I'm hoping that June gloom is gone bye-bye. Looks like all this week we're expecting some good sunny skies. Saturday and Sunday as well too in the 70s, so looking good for some Zoom time. Look at that, love the storage. And gonna get out my fenders. 1, 2. And if you are ever here and you do need to gas it up, this is where you would do that. Right through here. There we go. There's that one. And then we'll get the back one. So that means I get to move to the back seat. There it is. We're ready. And I got my dock line ready already. So what I'm going to do is, some of you have been asking about the reverse, how to use that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go straight bow in, nose into the dock, and then I'm going to use my reverse to just kind of slide in, and hopefully I can get that videoed for you. So let's try it right over here. All right, here we go. So brake and turn. There we go. We got it. There we go. Alright, washing down the ski. I already flushed it out. I already got it soaped up. And now I'm just doing the final rinse. How do you get water out of your footwells? I'll show you how I do it. Get yourself a big old sponge. Here we go. Huh. Simple as that. There we go. Guys, what? And this is how you do it. Ski's clean, it's ready for tomorrow. Getting ready for Catalina. See ya on the water.